Shiba Inu. It's on Robinhood finally. They didn't put my baby on Robinhood finally. Yes, sir. Welcome to the Money Talk Show TV, baby. I am your host with the most, baby. I am the motivator. I am the educator. I am the options trader, baby. And we gonna talk about Robinhood Adds Shiba Inu, Solana, you dig, Polygon, and Compound. They just added 4 new joints, cryptocurrencies to Robinhood's platform, and it's gonna be big. Let's get into the news, baby. Okay. Now we got popular cryptocurrency broker Robinhood, who I don't really rock with like that because they is shiesty and shady, and they robbed from the hood. They robbed me last year on AFC at GameStop. We don't get into that. Let's roll on to it. But now they have added 4 new cryptos to its offer, baby. Now it takes a number of cryptocurrency people that can buy and sell on this platform that adds depth to Robinhood's selection, which I don't get too about, but we're gonna get into it anyway because it's still crypto news, baby. I bring you the news on what's going on and motivation in the stock markets. Hit that like button and subscribe, baby. Money Talk Show TV, where we make that money talk. Crypto news with investing. How that's now until now, Robinhood only had Ethereum, Bitcoin. They only had a few of the major cryptocurrencies available. You know what I'm saying? They only had Litecoin. They didn't have too many cryptos that you can get and choose from. But now, they just added 4 new, baby. So let's get into what they added and what are those cryptos and what does it mean for crypto investors and Robinhood on this video. Now, the first one they got on the list is Compound. Ticker symbol COMP, baby. It's a crypto, baby. Now, Comp is the governance token from the Compound. Okay, they got their own governance token. The Compound is one of the more established interest-paying protocols. Now, users can lock crypto assets on the platform and earn interest, okay? They earn interest like crypto staking, baby, okay? And in turn, borrowers can borrow against crypto collateral. Now, when investors can use this platform, they can borrow, withdraw, repay, and receive Comp tokens, all for rocking with the Comp. Now, this is a competitive market right now because, you got everybody's trying to get the crypto rewards like crypto.com. You got Binance. Everybody trying to get their foot in the door with the crypto rewards, baby. So I am rocking with crypto.com. I use that and I use Coinbase. You know what I'm saying? The links below. Crypto.com is just like that too. They got their own coin and they allow you to buy and sell NFTs, crypto. It's a crypto wallet. It's like an all-in-one platform. Crypto.com. Yes, sir. Non-sponsored. Need to be. Go ahead and pay me in crypto, baby. Now, the next one is Polygon. Matic, baby. Okay. Polymatic. Okay. It's like the old school album classic Illmatic from Nas. Check that out. Yes, sir. Classic. Now, Polygon is a layer 2 solutions activated for Ethereum. Now, the layer 2 sit on top of the existing blockchain to improve performance. Now, in Polygon's case, it brings together various solutions to some of the Ethereum's issues, which include network congestion and the high fees. Now, I know if you've been in the crypto world or NFT, you heard about the gas fees. Okay, when you want to put those NFTs in that metaverse, you got to pay gas, and gas is usually within Ethereum. It's been that way, but other cryptos have allowed you to pay for your NFTs and minting with other cryptos, and it's cheaper and less cost. Was that economical efficient than Ethereum, baby. So Polygon is one of them, Matic, and it's on Robinhood right now. Now let's go to the next one. What they got next is Shiba. Shiba Inu, the big one, baby. SHIB. Now, Shiba Inu fans have been campaigning, like me, for Shiba to get on Robinhood for a long time. We've been waiting. It's been a long time. Now, Shiba Inu is a meme crypto that shot from fame last year. So best believe. And with that being said, let's get into the disclaimer, baby. I am not a financial advisor. I am just here to let you know what the money is and what it's doing with crypto news. So do your own research. And don't blame me for nothing, because I'm telling you, do your own research. I ain't telling you to buy nothing. I'm giving you the news, homeboy. Now, Shiba New community has been big, it's been growing, and they've been definitely wanting it to be accessible on Robinhood. But now it does. And Shiba Inu got some more things going on, baby, okay? They got projects, and they got a metaverse. And Shiba Inu does have its own decentralized exchange in this process of developing a metaverse, okay? Now, however, these projects don't stand out against the DEX or metaverse tokens yet, but some argue that getting listed on Robinhood is a step forward, you know what I'm saying, helping Shiba Inu do what it do in its metaverse trials, baby, okay? Now let's get into the next one. We're going to talk about Solana, baby, ticker symbol SOL. It's not available on Robinhood. Now, Solana was one of another of last year's shooting crypto stars. It gained over 11,000% in 2021 as developers and investors look for alternatives to Ethereum. As I was explaining earlier about the gas prices, Ethereum is a little high, you know, to be running on the gas. You know, when you're doing with Ethereum, it's a little high. Ethereum's sitting around 3 stacks right now, homeboy. Solana and all the other cryptos, it's not that high. So therefore, it gives you the chance to be able to do and maneuver your crypto with a cheaper gas price, baby. You got to pay the price. You got to pay to play. Now, Solana is giving you that other option, just like Compound up here. It's giving you a cheaper way that you can mint and do your things with crypto, baby. Now, Solana currently has over 1,500 projects in development and its own ecosystem, baby, okay? It's also building a reputation in the non-fungible NFT space, metaverse. Okay, now with this, Robinhood is adding some new features, and they got some other news, you know what I'm saying, about investments, taking their time to research, and they're giving you more options and more information to help you with your investments. I do like that, because before you can just go in there, they ain't tell you nothing, they ain't give you no options. If you was a newbie, you just went in there raw, and you got raw digged out, probably. Hey, big news. Big things for the crypto world, baby. Now, Robinhood's new features, and we don't give up, okay? But I'm gonna go ahead and get this in the video. I'm gonna let you know what it is. So you know, I'm not a fan of Robinhood, but I like it. They need to do what they do. Some people still can't get to other platforms. People gonna hold Robinhood forever, and if they gonna hold Robinhood forever, I need them to help with the other crypto investments to go ahead and support, like Shiba Inu, okay? But this Robinhood's second big announcement this week. Okay, letting everybody know that we've been rooting and asking for Shiba Inu to get up on that, but they got it. And it's on that, baby. Not only that, they got Compound, COMP, baby, okay? They got Polygon, Matic, and then they got Solana, okay? So this is your crypto news on what's going on today, baby. I am the Money Coach. Be blessed to invest in yourself. You know what I'm saying? Check out the video about the 13-year-old NFT millionaire I just made. Link should be up there, or subscribe. Man, you can always hit that, like button and subscribe, and you'll get notified for everything. But we up out of here. Be blessed to invest in yourself and make that money talk. Crypto news today. Yes, sir.
Money Talk Show TV, where we make that money talk. Crypto news with investing, now that's some money talk. Money Talk Show TV, where we make that money talk. Crypto news with investing.